Welcome to your guide to the Zure Executive Chair. This video covers the assembly and functions of all types. Inside your packaging you will find a seat and back core unit, one gas lift, a 5-point base, a set of 5 casters, one optional headrest when supplied. Assembly. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Drop the gas stem into the base and make sure it is secure. Take the seat and back core unit with arms attached. Drop it carefully onto the top of the gas lift stem. When fitting the optional headrest, remove the backrest by unlocking the bolt at the rear of the backrest. Slide the headrest into the location channel and put the locking plate in front and secure as shown with a screwdriver. Secure in place by locking the Allen key behind the headrest. Reattach the backrest and secure with the Allen key. Don't forget to add 2 Allen key tightenings at the lower right and left of the backrest to complete the assembly. Now please go around the chair and check all bolts and Allen keys are tight. Functions. The most forward lever on the right releases and locks the gas height adjustment. You can adjust the arms by pulling them gently back and raising or lowering them to suit your needs. A flip lever on the left will release the synchro tilt action of the chair. This has an anti-shock mechanism built in to stop the backrest being released and hitting you in the back. A wind-up handle to the right can be pulled out and cranked to increase or decrease the resistance of the synchro tilting motion. You can adjust the height of the backrest by moving the back as shown, pulling it up or pushing it down using the adjustment at the rear. The headrest is also easily adjusted to various positions by engaging it on the ratchet settings. And that's it! Enjoy your Zure Executive Chair.